wind noise. I did notice real quickly when editing footage that this camera does better, I think, just out of the box than like say the X3 with dealing with wind noise on its own. And you can also throw on these little like wind muff protectors and stick them on over top of it, and I think it just does a really good job compared to other cameras that I've used. Even when I was snowboarding in really high winds or going really fast, I thought it did a really good job of just eliminating that wind noise stock in camera. Plus, like I said, if you got additional motion going like you're mountain biking or snowboarding, you can stick these little wind covers on and it does really, really well.